day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our DT Watch X, also marketed as the DT Watch 10, the 10th anniversary edition of the DT Watch X. This smartwatch has a premium design, beautiful looking screen, AMOLED screen, unibody metal frame, and preloaded with comprehensive list of sports, health, and other features, smart features. One of the smart features that is somewhat only few smartwatches do have this capability is the option or a feature to store or upload photos to the DT Watch X or to the smartwatch. So the DT Watch X has a gallery photo. Okay, let me show it to you. As you can see here, we do have a section for the gallery, okay, or photo gallery. We are going to explore this, going to check, and at the same time upload our own photos to the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the DT Watch X 10th anniversary edition, or if you want to know on how to upload images to your smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start and explore the section for photo gallery of the DT Watch X. So let's access the main menu. Go to the photo gallery section. It's on the bottom part. We have here the photo. As you can see, we have, how many photos do we have? We have at least 7. To preview the photos, just tap on it. Then to navigate on the different photos to cycle, just swipe up. Quality photos here. So it is a very cool feature or smart feature for our DT Watch X. Now you can add your own photos to the smartwatch. Okay, to go back, swipe down. Okay, next, how can we add or upload our own photos in the smartwatch, particularly the DT Watch X? How do we do that? Okay, very easy with the help of the support app. So we have here the Wear Pro application. Again, the DT Watch X 10th anniversary edition is using the DT, or it is using the Wear Pro app. On the bottom part, tap on device. As you can see here, we are connected. We do have my watch face, incoming calls, SMS, sedentary reminder, and here on the features in the smartwatch, we have transfer images. So tap on this one, tap here to change photos. So we'll tap this one, select from album. Okay, so let's select a photo here. We have the camera, screenshots. Okay, we'll use this one, an old fan. Okay, then check. Then after that, let's sync to watch. It is now transferring images to our smartwatch. As you can see here, it is now syncing. Okay, so let's check. Is it successful? We'll see. Photo, and we have it here. A pretty smart and cool feature from DT Watch X. Let's have another one. Okay, albums, downloads. We'll use this one. Okay, very beautiful bird here. then check, then again sync to watch. It's now transferring images. Let's wait. Okay, then let's see, and we have it here, a beautiful bird transferred, a photo of bird transferred in our smartwatch, the DT Watch X 10th anniversary edition. So we have at least 9 images here. Okay, so that's it on our simple and step-by-step guide on how to upload photos to your smartwatch. In our case, it's DT Watch X smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Like, share, and subscribe.